Hey guys, what's up? What's poppin'? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video. Yeah. Okay, so I'm doing a braid out on my flat ironed hair. I just decided to record a video because I want to record some videos today. So I decided to do this braid out on my flat ironed hair. This is something that I usually do a lot anyway. I like to braid my hair when I have it straight because I feel like braiding my hair, like keeping it in braids for like when I go to bed and stuff, I feel like that helps keep my hair straight longer and keeps it from being poofing up and frizzy. But right now I already had my hair straightened for like a few weeks already. So you know, when it gets to the point where it starts getting like more oily, then like I could kind of pull off the braid out look more because like the waves will probably hold a little bit more, whereas when my hair is freshly flat ironed, it doesn't have that much oil in it, even though I'll put a little bit of oil on the end still. When my hair is freshly flat ironed, the waves will fall out easily, which is okay, because if I want it, I might want to just wear it straight anyway, but I do like waves in it. So I guess as it gets more oily, the waves tend to stay, because you know, your hair might get like a little bit stiffer from the oil. And then if my flat iron is old, I'll probably just add more oils and stuff to it anyways, since I want to wear it wavy anyway. Alright, so I'm just trying to brush out my baby hairs first. But I didn't feel like filming me braiding it last night. I didn't feel like being on camera or turning on the camera, but basically I'll just explain to you. So I just did 4 braids. A lot of the times I just do 2 braids, 2 on both sides, but I usually do that when my hair is longer, because I feel like if I do that now, like the braids are still kind of short and stubby, and then they don't stay in that good, like just like these 2 in the back, because my hair is still kind of short in the back, but it's longer in the front still, kind of. I mean, you can't really tell when it's down, but it's more like, I don't know. I just did 4 braids because they're gonna stay in better until my hair gets longer, and you know, but my hair is getting longer, it's getting there, it reaches the armpits. It might be even a little bit past armpits by now, I don't know. But so it's parted into 4 sections, and then for each braid I put some of this in it. This is just the ORS olive oil moisturizing hair lotion. So yeah, I just put this in each, so like a little like dime size in each section. It's nice and moisturized, especially like putting it mostly on the ends. And then I think all I did was I actually put a little bit of this on the very ends. It's Vaseline, because like, I don't know, you're just gonna like seal the ends good and keep them good. And I'm wearing it in a braid anyway, so I'm not worried about my hair being like too greasy. So because we'll probably be washing this hair soon eventually anyway. Alright, so I'm just trying to style the baby hairs first real quick. I'm going to use some of this Eco Style Gold Gel. I haven't really tried this out like throughout my hair yet, so I might make a video when I actually do that. But so far I've only used it on edges, like baby hair. Let's see. Okay, surfing on this good. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the back. So I'm just gonna put like, there's a little bit of olive oil mixture. It might be some other stuff, like a little bit of coconut. I think right now there's mostly olive oil, but there's some other oils. So I'm gonna put a little bit of that in my hands, and then take the braids out so you can see how it came out. I ain't putting no gel in it or nothing either, because I don't really like putting gel in my hair when it's straightened, except for like my baby hairs, and that's it. Because gel is wet and it will make my hair wave up. So I don't put gel in my hair when yeah, I just don't do gel on flat iron hair, because like usually something that's more like a thick grease is what's gonna hold and lay it down if I needed that. But it just depends, like, you might not want that. That's when I dip off in the music and I drip away. That's when I dip off in the music and I drip away. A lot of times I prefer some wave in my hair even when I wear a flat iron, so a lot of times that's why the braids work for me, because for one, it just keeps my hair straight longer without it like frizzing up too much, and I don't really like wrapping it. I don't really feel like doing all that, and then the wraps, when I wrap it, it don't stay and it just falls out anyway. I just like to do a braid, like either one braid or two braids depending on what we're going for, you know. Oh, don't mind my hand. It's lipstick. After I did my lips, I always kiss my hand so that it's not too thick. When I'm all alone, I feel all the pain. Dip off with the music and I drift away. When I'm all alone, I feel all the pain. Dip off with the music and I drift away. Ooh, the bottom has a little bit of curve in it. Because this braid must have been curved. Alright. Okay. It looks pretty good though. Bitch, I'm going hard like I just got out of coma. Weed I am Florida, but we smoke on California. I done find a rider, bitch, she used to be a loner. Sex on the beach when we out in Daytona. Gotta be a stoner, smoke box, layover. Them boys ain't real, only thought when I'm sober. We done kept it down, never change over. Even for a meal, I would never change over. Bitch, I'm going hard for that legal tender, give me notes. Okay, so how'd it come out? I think it came out pretty good. It's not too frizzy. Sometimes I don't mind a slight frizziness when I do these wave, like braid outs on my flat iron hair. I don't mind a little bit, but I don't want it too much. Cause like the frizziness, or like when it has that little bit of like messiness when the waves are not too perfect, it kind of makes it look a little bit more natural. I don't want to play with it too much, because then the waves will probably just start to fall out. Just like this side. It looks a little bit messy, but it's like, okay. So yeah, hold up. All my baby hair is messing up. I don't know. So far, I don't know if this gel holds good enough for my baby hair, so. It smells yummy. I'm just gonna use this one. I don't really like this one because it leaves like residue and stuff. I actually like the, this is the argan oil one. Like, I don't really like this one because it leaves like residue when it dries. But it holds good, but it's like, so far I know I like the olive oil one. I have used that one for years, and I think I like the what is it, the black Jamaican black castor oil one with the flaxseed, the one that has the black lid. I think that one is pretty good so far and holds good without a lot of buildup. Alright. And then sometimes what I do, if it didn't come out as wavy as I wanted it to, then I might go over it with this, like just a few pieces around the outside. But you know, and I might do that too, like if I was getting ready to go out or something, so I wanted to make sure that it looks good. But most of the time I don't do that because I don't want to like use the heat and all that, and I just, yeah, most of the time I don't do that. I'm just saying once in a while if it didn't come out the way I wanted to and I was gonna go out or something. But I'm not gonna do that. But right now it came out good. Like, this is good enough for me. Like, this looks good. So yeah, most of the time I do not do that. But okay, so yeah, that's it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you're not, and click the bell for notifications. If you don't get notifications, then unsubscribe and resubscribe. I don't know, like YouTube be tripping, yo. But anyway, I'll see ya in another video. Bye. Peace.
I ain't said that I'm rich, but I'm